Hello students, my name is Amit Khan. In this video we will discuss about digital electrons lab. The name of the experiment is verify binary to gray and gray to binary conversion using NAND gates only. So this is the aim of the experiment. The theory is written over here. We will directly go to the simulation. Here we can see that binary to gray code converter and gray to binary code converters are given. At first we will go to binary to gray code converter. The instructions are written here. Here we can see that the binary to gray code converter is given by using only NAND gates. This is the binary input, that is B0, B1, B2 and B3 are the binary inputs. Correspondingly we will get the gray code output, that is C0, G0, G1, G2 and G3. At first we have to connect the battery. Suppose I am giving B0 is 0, 1. So when the input of binary is B0 is 1 and B2, B1, B3 are 0, then what will be the output for gray code? That is G0 will be 1 and G1, G2, G3 will be 0. Let's see, in the truth table we have had this. So when the input is B0 is 1 and rest of the inputs B1, B2, B3 are 0, then G0 is 1, G2, G1 and G3 is 0. Suppose we are giving 0, 0, 1, that is B2 is 1. We have given the input is B0, 0, B1 is 0, B2 is 1 and B3 is 0. The corresponding gray code output will be G0 is 0, G1 will be 1, G2 will be 1 and G3 will be 0. Suppose we have given the input like this, then what will happen? B3 is 1, B2 is 1, B1 is 0, B0 is 0. The corresponding gray code output will be G3 is 1, G2 is 0, G1 is 1 and G0 is 0. When all the binary inputs will be 1, what will be the corresponding gray code output? That is G1 will be only 1 and rest of all gray code will be 0. When binary input is 1, 1, 1, 1, then gray code output is 1, 0, 0, 0. Next we will see the gray to binary code converter. This is also same. We have to connect the battery here. Here the gray code inputs are G0, G1, G2, G3 and binary outputs are B0, B1, B2, B3. Suppose we are giving that the input is G2 is 1. Then what will be the binary output? That is B0 is glowing, that is 1, B1 is also glowing, that is will be 1, B2, the LED for B2 is also glowing, that means B2 will be 1 and B3 is 0. So if you add this in the truth table, we can see that when the input for gray code is G0 is 0, G1 is 0, G2 is 1, G3 is 0, then the corresponding binary output will be B0 is 1, B1 is 1, B2 is 1 and B3 is 0. Next, suppose we are giving input like this. G3 is 1, G2 is 1, G1 is 0 and G0 is 0. The corresponding binary output will be B3 is 1, B2 is 0, B1 is 0 and B0 is 0. Suppose we are giving input like G0 is 1, G1 is 1, G2 is 0, G3 is 0. The corresponding binary output will be B0 is 0, B1 is 1, B2 is 0, B3 is 0. If you give all the 4 inputs of gray code is like 1, then what will happen? Then the output for binary will be B3 is glowing, that means B3 will be 1, B1 is also glowing, that means B1 is also will be 1. If you add this, what will happen? We can see the gray code input. When the gray code input is 1, 1, 1, 1, then the corresponding binary output will be B3 is 1, B2 is 0, B1 is 1 and B0 is 0. So like this we can check all the inputs. Hope this video is helpful to all of you. So thank you for watching this video.